Красиво, Саша, левалу. Сумасшедший. Сумасшедший, I don't know what that means. Today I am going to take you to the best kept secret of St. Petersburg, and that's the Soviet Doughnuts place on Bishenya. It's an area where there are so many cafes and restaurants, and a donut in Russian is called pishki. So come with me for this Soviet Doughnuts experience. As you can see from the photos of different types of donuts that they make, so I will suggest if you ever visit St. Petersburg, make sure you don't miss this place. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Hey guys, wish me luck. I'm going to try and find that metro, which is always elusive here. It's during the day now. It's 1 midday, 1300 hours, and it's dark because it's winter in Russia, so it's always dark anyway. Yeah, there's a metro over there. I mean, be honest, how can you tell that's a metro? That building right there in front of us, it's the metro. How can you tell? It's got a little sign up there with a M on it. Unbelievable. Okay, sorry madame. Okay, and this crossing is very busy, always busy. So if you ever get lost in St. Petersburg, you see the square there? The metro is just around you. Or if you stand just by the square and then you look around, you'll be able to see it. You can't miss it. Oh, see, so many doors. This is a metro. No signpost. Oh, I miss London. Okay. This is a very religious country. There are many churches, but they don't celebrate Christmas on the 25th. They celebrate it on the 7th of January. Now, if you look very carefully, that it's a very interesting cathedral. It's called Cathedral Mother of Kazan. Cathedral Mother of Kazan. Very, very interesting church. It's on the main street. On street is Novo. This street is called Novonesky. One of the main streets in St. Petersburg. As you can see, it's churches all over. We've got some more churches there. Let me just show you. But Russia love these colors, you know, blue and bright colors. They really love bright colors. So that's the beauty of it. Revolutionary Square in St. Petersburg. Let's see the whole Revolutionary Square. Go and get the name of it in Russian. Revolutionary Square. And that's where I am. What's the name of Revolutionary Square? Name?
Площадь Восстания.
Площадь Восстания. Yeah, it's called Площадь Восстания. Thank you. See, people in Russia, they walk very fast. I guess to keep warm, that's what I was taught in Britain, that in the winter you have to walk fast so that generated. Look, red bus, London, red bus. But their colors in St. Petersburg is like blue and light gray, and looks a bit more like white, to be honest. One thing with Russian people, they don't wake up for no reason. They wake up for a purpose. You know, they're gonna ask you, what are you doing today? What's your plan today? And once you tell them what's your plan, they say why. So the why, it's like the biggest question here. Always ask why. You must be able to respond to that. Pishka, that means donuts. Now we are at the famous donuts place in St. Petersburg. This is very famous in Russia. We're going to try. I hope you can see the address. Let's just go closer. Oh, that's the address there. And here is written in Russian. And then there's slapped in English. Traditional recipe since 1958. Very famous. Now let's go try those famous donuts. We're going in. Let's see. Oh, famous donuts. Oh my God, there's a queue. Oh my God, there's a queue here. All races, all countries. This is international known. It's so many people here.
Коногвардейский. Ой.
Коногвардейский?
Конюшенная улица. Конюшенная улица.
Конюшенная улица.
Улица.
And
street. Конюшенная street.
And this place is
Пышки.
Pushki. Oh, she's loving the cart, waiting for her donuts. Very patient. And the cart is just loving it as well. That's great. Hey guys, I'm going to steal a photo here of this old lady enjoying a cuppa. It's not going to be easy, but I'm going to try. You know, I'll just pretend like I'm not looking at her because it's just beautiful. Just see the old lady there. I think she's staring at me. She's staring at me right now. So I'm just, listen guys, she's staring. So I'm just gonna try it, and they just move slowly. Look. She's enjoying a cuppa. Oh yes, she's having a cuppa. Look. Oh yes, that's beautiful. Gulf of Finland. In St Petersburg. And that's the Baltic Sea right over there. What is the this island called, you said?
This one?
Yeah.
Vasilevsky.
Oh, this is Vasilevsky Island. From the bridge you can view the Gulf of Finland. Yeah. The Gulf of Finland. Finland is way across the Baltic Sea over there. But just the view is just amazing. Let's look at the view. Look at the two bridges there meeting, and then there's a stadium at the back there. Ah, that's the British the phone booth extended. Now that.
No, just look like.
Please do me a favor. Just take a picture of that for me. Take a picture of that for me, please, while I'm taking a video. So this is a shopping mall.
Yeah. And aqua park.
Pardon?
Aqua park.
All right. Oh, an aqua park as well.
Yes. Yeah.
All right. So shopping mall there with aqua park. There are so many people looking at the wonders of nature. You just look at this frozen sea, the Baltic Sea, it's frozen. Wow, here the sea is frozen, guys. Look at it, my God. It's just thick blob of ice, really frozen. Look, my God, this is frozen, man. It's so thick. Even when it jumps, look at the color. Because it's so thick. It's like thick mold. Like just thick ice. It's coming. Thick ice. I just missed the biggest wave, but I'm gonna wait for it again. And you can see how far the ice goes. It's over there.
Нет.
Yes, one.
Нет.
Not good. The bag is full of water, you know.
Oh.
I told you. I said, put your bag there. I told you, Sasha. You said no. Whoa! Wow! Nearly caught me that one. That's a big one. Oh yes. This is something. Did you see that? when you look at it, it's fascinating. It's fascinating, but this will kill you in an instant. The sound might not be very good here because we are inside the Russian Mashuka. Not very comfy. I think Georgian Mashuka are better. The Russian Mashuka, it's much bigger. It's much bigger. It's like a small bus, to be honest. It's not like the mini buses that you find in Georgia. Look at the Russian Mashuka. And it's got the railings for those standing up. This thing can be full, over full, like overloaded at times. It's a bit bumpy, guys. I don't have a gimbal, so I'm going to stop this video. If you ever come to St. Petersburg, this is one of the metros. I have passed this building many times, but it's got no sign. It only have a little M up there. And apart from that, oh, this square, what's the name of this square?
Восстание.
Oh yeah, this is one of the famous squares, Vastania Square.
And Moscow railway station.
Okay, and Moscow railway station over there.
Here.
Yeah, it's raining right now. At least the camera is protected, but it's raining. Here, what's amazing, you see, people stop. If you cross when the red lights are on, they think you're a moron. So don't do that in Russia. You know, they really respect the roads, and they always cross at the pedestrian crossing. And when you just cross, they all look at you like, look at that fool, that idiot. Don't be one, all right?